All right, this is Unit 1, Notes 3. We're now going to be multiplying decimals. So the I will be able to statement is I will be able to multiply two numbers with decimals So we're going to start this problem with steps, and then we're going to jump into the problem itself. So it says, set up a multiplication problem. The number with the most digits goes on the top. So if I'm looking at the two numbers, this number has 4 digits, and this number has 3 digits. Label that. Okay, so it says the number with the most digits goes on top. So I'm going to write 2 and 341 thousandths first, and then underneath that I'm going to write 0 and 25 hundredths second, and I'm multiplying these two numbers together. This is a multiplication symbol. I'll make it a little bit bigger. So it says, step 2, look at the number 5 in the hundredths place. So I'm looking at the number 5 in the hundredths place. That would be right here. Multiply 5 by each digit in the number at the top. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 1, which is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. I'm going to drop the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. That gives us 17. So I'm going to carry the 1. And then last one, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 gives us 11. Okay. B says carry the number if needed, and I did. I carried 2 from 20 and 1 from 15. And then it says C, place a 0 under the result as a placeholder. So fill in the word place. Okay, so I'm going to put in a 0 down here as a placeholder. Now it says look at the number 2 in the, and we're going to write in tenths place. Notice that that is a THS, tenth place. So I'm looking at the 2 in the tenths place. There's a 2 right here in the tenths place, and it says multiply 2 by each digit in the number at the top, carry the number if needed. So I'm going to multiply 2 times each one of the numbers in the top. 2 times 1 would be 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. No need to add those digits. That was from the previous number, 5. Okay, number 4 says add together. So I'm going to add these two values together. So I've got 5 plus 0. That gives me 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 plus another 6 plus 2 is 8. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, step 5 says count the number of digits. It's supposed to say to the right of the decimals. So we're going to go back up here. We're going to count the number of digits to the right of the decimals. So I'm first going to underline all the digits to the right of the decimal. I know that in the first number there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal, and in the second number there are 2 digits to the right of the decimal. Total, there are 5 digits to the right of the decimal. So down here I'm going to write the number 5. Step 6 says move your decimal to the left 5 spaces. So basically, however many digits are to the right of the decimal, you are going to be moving your decimal that many places to the left. So I'm going to start all the way on the right, and I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and I'm going to place my decimal point. I'm going to rewrite this. My answer would be decimal point 5, 8, 525. Box your answer in. Now we read this number 58,525 hundred thousandths, which is kind of hard to think about. But this is our answer, 58,525 hundred thousandths.